way, so we are here at the Anand Lassi, and these are my friends. I don't know his name. What's your name, by the way?
I'm Soham.
Hi. Indrajit here. I know this person from very long time. Shreyas Deshmukh. Okay. My name is this guy right here. He's Prasad and Indrajit and Prasad and me. We know each other from very long time, like third standard, I guess. Yep, third standard. Kaswa ma'am's class, right? Okay, we are in the Ganj Bazaar now, and we are shooting here. Some people are vlogging. It's just me.
Anaconda bhi apne
What?
Anaconda.
What's anaconda?
वो आदमी को निकल जाता हो.
हाँ, okay.
गिराक को निकल जाता हो.
Okay.
हाँ देख.
जबान गरम हो.
हाँ, okay. Oh my God. Chicos are so sweet, by the way.
ए और एक ना 4 जने हो.
It's okay.
ये है ना.
आप कभी गंज बाजार में आओ तो इनके पास से स्वीट ले लो. आपका नाम क्या है, बाय द वे?
सादिक भाई एनाकोंडा वाले.
सादिक. ये देखिए, सादिक भाई से आप चीकू खरीद लिया. इतने सारे फ्रूट्स है यहाँ पे. यू कैन ओके थैंक यू. Chicos are so sweet, by the way. They are really. Friends are shooting over here, and people just looking at like we are strangers or doing any short film or film something. That's why it gets nervous when you vlog like this. So bear करना पड़ता है ऐसे तो. It's like 2:35 in the afternoon, and we are still roaming around and photo shooting in the Ganj Bazaar. We took some nice shots. काय झालं?
तीन शेवपुरी आणि 2 मैसूर मसाला.
So like we have just finished our photo walk, and like we are really tired and really hungry. So like let's see what we have, and then you can start with Shev Puri and that.
Yes. We just ordered a Shev Puri. I have ordered masala dosa. It's a Mysore masala dosa, and Indrajit also ordered it. And तू काय मागवलंय?
शेवपुरी.
Shevpuri. Okay. Shevpuri. Not a problem. It's just be like casual.
लोकांना उलट कॅज्युअल आवडतं.
Casual आवडतं.
हे बघ आता लिमिटेशन थोडी कमी केली.
आता बघू किती झालं.
हां हे घ्या रे मग. डोसा पण घ्या.
फुल मॅरिनेट करतोय. That's nice.
ये ना. Yes.
Okay, I'm here at Indrajit's place. It's like around 3:30, 4 something. Kiti? 4:50. Yeah, it's a 4:50 in the evening. Okay, data copy हो रहा है अभी. So
जे raw आहे ते हे कर ना.
JPG
कन्वर्ट नाही करता
याच्यात टाकून घेऊ का पहिले
मला मोबाईल मध्ये पाहिजे होते.
ते मेमरी कार्ड काढून दे मला. नाही मेमरी कार्ड नाही का माझ्याकडे एकच आहे.
हे तुझ्या कॉम्प्युटर मध्ये आधी
नाही त्याच्याकडे पेन ड्राईव्ह आहे ना पेन ड्राईव्ह
oh my god, it's so windy. Okay, we
लाइट्स
just
कैमरा एक्शन
हो गया तेरा? We just finished our photo walk complete. Gone yaar. Gone. Okay, welcome back to channel everyone. I just finished our first photo walk complete and successfully. इंद्रजीत क्या कहना है तेरे को? तेरे को क्या कहना है? हंसते रहो, चलो हंसते रहो, खुश रहो.
and we are looking forward for more photo walks like this
And it was a
in
great
future,
experience.
and it was a really great experience for us. We learned a lot of things, lot of perspectives and all. So yeah, it was a great fun.
Okay,
Okay.
it's nice. We are just gonna leave from his house now. So
दाखव ना किती कूल आहे. दाखव ना.
okay,
त्याचा
look
setup
at his
दाखव.
setup now. I've totally forgot about it. Okay, it's a MacBook Pro with a touch bar, I guess. Yeah, it's a touch bar edition. Did you do those sketches by yourself?
Yeah.
Oh, that's nice. भारी बनवलंय. अरे मराठी पण मारायची थोडीफार.
आता-
मराठी ऑडियन्स पण येतो आपला नंतर.